What is the smallest prime number? The correct option is option C, 2. A prime number is a number greater than 1 that has only two factors 1 and itself. The smallest prime number is 2. Question number 2. The LCM of 12 and 18 is. The correct option is option A, 36. Question number 3. If a number is divisible by 6, then it must be divisible by 2 and 3. The correct option is option A. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Question number 4. How many digits are there in the binary number system? 2. The correct option is option C. The binary number system consists of only two digits, 0 and 1. Question number 5. The smallest composite number is. The correct option is option D, 4. Question number 6. The sum of two odd numbers is always even. The correct option is option A. Odd plus odd is equal to even. For example, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. Question number 7. The LCM of 6, 8 and 12 is. The correct option is option A, 24. LCM means least common multiple. Multiple of 6 and multiple of 8 and multiple of 12. So smallest common multiple is equal to 24. Question number 8. Which of the following is a rational number? The correct option is option B, 3/7. A rational number can be expressed as P/Q, where Q not equal to 0. 2 under the root pi and E are irrational. 3/7 is a fraction, rational number. Question number 9. What is the HCF of 48 and 72? The correct option is option C, 24. Factor of 48 and factor of 72. So greatest common factor is equal to 24. Question number 10. How many prime numbers are there between 1 and 50? The correct option is option B, 15. The prime number between 1 and 50 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. तो ये टोटल हमारे पास 15 बन गई. Subscribe Anjum Plus. Thanks for watching.